Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into IPTV. Finding a reliable IPTV provider can be tough. In 2025, many options are available, but tricky. We recommend 2tv.store for the best experience. Now, let's prepare your Android device first. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Go to your device's settings menu now. Enable installations from unknown sources next. Now, let's download the IPTV app of choice. Open the app once the installation is complete. It's time to configure your IPTV settings. Enter your subscription credentials accurately. Upload your playlist to enjoy your channels. Browse through available channels to explore. Select your favorite channels to start watching. Remember, smooth streaming needs good bandwidth. Adjust video quality settings if necessary. Enjoy your IPTV content on the go now. Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Hit the notification bell for updates too. See you in the next episode. Happy streaming. Check the description for all links mentioned. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.